Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share a best source for your entertainment. Yes, SYN Vision TV is here, where you can watch the series. You can also get multiple language plus subtitle. Yes, watching drama is now very easy. How does this work? You will ask here is the app you can download, and in your Telegram application, you can also check how does this work basically. So you need to click on it, and then you will also check like this interface where you will also open it into your Telegram application. Once it will be done, then you can also find the username where we can also select the bot running. Yes, here is also free dramas watching. You can easily join it, and not only this, you can also join them on their social media links. You can also even join them on their Telegram discussion group. Now we are going to open the mini app where you can also check that there are a lot of dramas. You can also get the best source for fun and watching dramas of your favorite. There is popular urban rebirth romance and different categories you can search. Here is also your profile that you have created in your Telegram queue. Now, if you want to top up the method, very simple. You need to click on the top up method. You can select from $6 to so on. And you can also give to other person to. Here is the payment method. I am going to select here tone method. For that, I can also give the permission my wallet to connect it, and then we will also proceed. Here you can also check that $998 you can, and here this is top up method by using different gateway. You ask VC balance will be shown here, and you can also come to the other option that is about the reward and your top up method. That is very simple. This app has a very user-friendly interface. There are also blind books as mystery books too. You can easily check that. And next, you can also have a good mission on it. So this is what we are going to share each and everything about it. And next, you can also check about that here on the getting SYN by getting your friend on the platform is very simple. Invite them. You can also get your reels, watching dramas. You can also get the short videos. You can easily like them. You can favorite. You can also make the speed. There are different episode-wise. You can also check how different clips are working. Basically, SYN Vision TV is here with the better porn books, a higher level. You're currently 3 level. You can also get the member upgrade ship. For that, as VC is going to be used. So here, different subtitle is also going to be used in the watching drama. So here, I have already shown you how it is working actually. Their mystery box will be given when you will watch the video. You will like it. You can also share it to your friends too. Your top level, you can win $5,000 worth of tokens to SVC. Soon it will expand to 6 level with the top reward up to 1 Bitcoin. And here, as we see, as a Web2 token can be exchanged for TWS Web3 token. Yeah. Friends, you can also check that user can also increase the level. For now, there is unlock 3 level that will be increased to 6 level in the end of month. User can easily unlock it when their top-up method and top-up amount will be increased. Yes, here you can even check out that SYN top-up 02 unlimited. You will be premium. There is also 6,800 SVC for ordinary user. You will also get the benefit according to it. There, how you are going to start your top-up, you can click on it, and then you can easily check that here's 600 SYN, and your balance is here $6 US. You can even check out the other information like you are going to select here. Then you can also choose all the payment method that is also going to show you here. So you can easily join, and then when you come back, here is also the user benefit. Here you will also be joining. And there is also about the ordinary member. As a premium member, you will easily get the benefit. And these are the member benefit I have shown you. You can easily top up. You can also be one of the top and premium member to enjoy SYN short term. Yes, you can also get 10% referral income when you are going to invite your friend, so this is very simple option for you. And if you want to know more details about this platform that is also fully ecological with short dramas, entertainment lifestyles, and you can also check there are warm welcome to SYN Vision that is going to giving you gaming interaction very soon. With AI drama creation is here, so be ready and grab the best entertainment apps for hysterical for the romance, and here different options are available. So you can also get SYN AA comprehensive assistance in the subtitles, either in their official, like getting the blind books too, for your reward for the token that you will also exchange it. So here is everything about the WVC. There is also domainer option. Once we click on it, you can also follow them on their official Twitter and Telegram for upcoming details, where you can easily check that there is SYN Vision that is going to work with the decentralized entertainment finance that is all South Asia. And there is also SYN Vision with the Web3 Vision too. You can also follow them to discuss with their community, and Certic has already completed their verification for SYN. There is also on the Nowhere 36 and how it does work. I have shown you a complete details how you will open into your Telegram app. If you have any question or query, you can ask in the comment box. See you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye. And you can download the SYN app for further and smooth working process. See you in next video.